The number of daily new COVID-19 cases rebounded past 60. The greater Seoul area saw a sharp infection tied into a nursing home and a frontline military unit. This while the government plans to bring home nearly 300 Korean nationals from virus-hit Iraq. Kim Jae-hee helps us look beyond the digits.
South Korea reported 63 new cases of COVID-19 on Wednesday. New cases were back into the 60s for the first time in 5 days due to cluster infections in the capital and a rise in imported cases. Of the new cases, 29 were locally transmitted cases, the highest in 2 weeks. That brings the total cases in the nation to 13,879. There was one additional death, raising the death toll to 297. Concerns are rising over an outbreak at a frontline unit in Pocheon near the inter-Korean border.
13 South Korean soldiers from the unit in Pocheon, Gyeonggi-do province have tested positive for COVID-19. Epidemiologists are currently investigating the source and route of transmission.
According to the Defense Ministry, 2 soldiers from the unit were confirmed to have the virus on Tuesday. All 220 members of the unit went through testing, and 11 more tested positive. The number is likely to rise as more test results come in. Meanwhile, cluster infections from churches have waned, and the government will lift the ban on small church gatherings from 6 p.m. Friday.
With most churches strictly following the virus prevention rules, there have been few infections linked to small church gatherings recently. Accordingly, the government would like to lift the strengthened measures on churches from Friday.
But he added regional governments may issue their own administrative orders if necessary. The government will also use charter flights to bring back almost 300 Korean nationals from Iraq.
A total of 297 workers in Iraq have decided to return to South Korea. 2 military aircraft will leave Baghdad on Thursday afternoon and arrive at Incheon International Airport on Friday morning.
All passengers on the flight will be tested for COVID-19 and will be quarantined for 2 weeks upon arrival, even if their tests turn out negative. Kim Jae-hee, Arirang News.